Hey there everybody, I'm Jonathan, and in today's episode I'm going to show you how to find hiking trails. Finding great hiking trails doesn't have to be complicated. Whether you're looking for an easy nature walk or a challenging backcountry trek, I'm going to show you how to discover the best trails using the AllTrails app and a few other simple methods. Now I do have to mention that I'm an affiliate for AllTrails, so I will receive a small commission if you choose to use the link below. But the link will allow you to test drive AllTrails Plus for a free 7-day trial. I do use AllTrails for all my hikes. It's an easy way to find trails that match your skill level, distance preference, and scenery goals. Here's how. First, you're going to search for trails. Open the app or website, and then you're going to use the search bar to enter in a keyword like waterfalls or mountain views. Then you're going to filter by difficulty. You can choose easy, moderate, or hard to match your fitness level. If you're unsure how to gauge the difficulty, I have a whole video on that. I'm going to link to it up here. You can also sort by length and elevation, set a distance range and elevation gain to match your endurance level. More elevation gain usually means a tougher climb. You can check trail conditions. Recent reviews from other hikers can tell you if a trail is muddy, overgrown, or even closed. Now, if you upgrade to AllTrails Plus, this lets you download your saved maps for offline use, which is crucial if you're hiking in areas with no cell signal. Now, AllTrails is great, but sometimes word of mouth leads to the best discoveries. Try these tips. Facebook groups. Local hiking groups often share hidden gems and recent trail conditions. Another one is Reddit and forums. Subreddits like r/hiking or r/backpacking have tons of trail recommendations. Another option is Meetup. It's great for finding group hikes and meeting fellow outdoor enthusiasts. Instagram is another one. Do a search for hiking trails near, just insert your location. TikTok is another one. You can run the same search on TikTok and you'll get even more suggestions. Another option is REI. If you have an REI store or a similar sporting goods store, then you can ask the associates and they can usually give you some of their favorites. There's a doe right there. I don't know if you can see her. She's listening to me. That's so cool. I just saw 3 other ones run away. Now, if you're nervous about heading out on your own, consider linking up with someone who's more experienced and they can show you the ropes. Having a mentor can make all the difference in building your confidence out here on the trails. I also recommend starting with a trail that's short and close to home. That way, if anything goes wrong, you can easily turn back or even grab anything that you might have forgotten. Give yourself some grace. Hiking is a skill just like any other. Now, you're gonna make mistakes, you're gonna forget things, and learn as you go. But with practice, you're gonna gain more confidence, and then you're gonna feel way more at home out here on the trails. In AllTrails, you can make your own lists, then separate future trails into those lists. Now, you can begin with one list since AllTrails makes one automatically called completed. You can call yours trails to do, future hikes at first. Then you're going to add the ones that you'd like to do more research on and eventually knock off your list. I don't know if you can see that behind me, but right now I'm heading over to Glassy Mountain, and right now behind me you can see the fog is right up here to the top of the mountain, which is usually my favorite thing in the world, is when the land meets the clouds. Now, once you have more experience, you're going to want to branch those lists out. I have lists that are broken down into their lengths, like 10 plus miles or 2 hours from home, and I also have some that are broken out into North Carolina hikes, Georgia hikes, etc. And this way, I can separate them according to how I want to approach them or by what state that I'm about to visit. That's how I find my hiking trails. AllTrails is my go-to, but asking others and joining online groups can help you discover even more amazing hikes. Do you have another favorite way that you find your trails? Drop it in a comment down below so we can share it with others.